Comparisons are easily done once you've had a taste of perfection, like an apple hanging from a tree. I picked the ripest one. I still got the seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you. Thinking of you. Yes. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your eyes. Now the lessons learned, I touched and I was burned. Oh, I think you should what you would do if you burst in the door and take me away. No more mistakes, 'cause in your eyes I'd like to stay.
Wow! Wow!
Very nice.
Unbelievable!
Beautiful.
Lights in the air for the Snowstorm on this holiday.
Can I just say, Snowstorm, you blew us away. Okay? That performance was so beautiful, so touching. I can hear your passion behind your voice. And girlfriend, I mean, you keep elevating every time we see you. You leveled
Yes.
up, right?
I thought, yeah, that vocal had so much, texture and purity. I mean, I thought that was your best vocal performance.
Thank
Yeah.
Thank you.
Definitely.
That means so much.
Snowstorm, you were peaking at the right time, at the right moment in the semifinals, and this is your moment. Great job.
Thank you. Thank you again.
All right, time for an on-stage clue. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for the Maskies Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Nice. Wow. Look at that.
I don't know what's going on here.
What does it say?
Oh, wow, look at that.
Oh, it's squiggly.
I believe it says squiggly.
Oh,
Squiggly, like our squiggly monster.
Squiggly Monster was a dear friend of mine and is no longer with us. And it feels really weird to cry with this voice, but he was the reason that I decided to do this show, because his experiences was just so rewarding, and I'm so glad he got to have it before he passed away. So my performances have been for him, whether he would want that or not.
You did him proud, girlfriend. You did him proud.
We love him as well. As you know, Squiggly Monster was the great Bob Saget. And we lost him way, way too soon. He was amazing on this show, and amazing friend, and amazing comedian.
Yes.
Truly a legend. But panel, does that clue help any of you?
Well, it does help me, because she's been so funny. And so I've been stuck on this. She's a comedian that's also a movie star that's also sings, right? And so this kind of helps solidify the comedian factor, because Bob, obviously being one of the great stand-up comedians, I'm thinking that he might have had an influence on her, and they might have connected through comedy. So I still think that it's Whitney Cummings.
Love Whitney Cummings.
You know what? It's not terrible. I don't think it's Whitney, but I think you're in the right wheelhouse because
Yeah.
I definitely think like a roast comic, especially from the beginning clues that the very first time we saw her, I saw a doormat.
That was just representing how I've been treated in relationships.
She's funny.
See what I say? She's definitely a comic. And in the clue package, we saw that light that was blinking that said live. I think this goes with her MTV show that was live. And like I said, with that doormat, with the cameras, she actually did a reality show during COVID. She moved back in with her parents. So I really think this could be the amazing roast comic herself, Nikki Glazer.
Oh, great guess.
Okay.
Whitney and Nikki both do the roast.
They both do the roast. That's right. I think you're in the right wheelhouse.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it could. But speaking of that, when it said live, it could also be someone from Saturday Night Live.
No,
it
it's okay.
could.
No, it's
Hear
not.
me out. I think this is SNL legend Kristen Wiig. She can sing. She's amazing. She's a comedy legend. Movie Ticket with a laughing emoji. Bridesmaids is one of the best movies of all time.
But the only thing about Kristen, who's brilliant, but she's not quite that tall. As I'm looking at Snowstorm right now
Nick
next
is
to
only
Nick.
like 5'4", and it's just like, don't blame it on Nick.
Well, whoever you are, we're thankful.
Yes.
All right. Y'all keep it going for the Snowstorm. You can head on backstage to the Layer Men in Black. Help her out. We'll see you a little bit later.
It means so much to me that I'm at the semifinals because, well, especially when you find out who I am, you would not expect me to make it this far. And I know that I didn't, so I can't believe I'm here.